Unboxing this Toy Story Buzz Lightyear Spaceship Command Center. Let's check out all the stuff that comes with this cool spaceship. It comes with this cool space rover. Let's open up the spaceship. Over here is the prison cell. And up here is a trap door. When you press this button, Zurg goes down into the prison. Doot, doot, doot. Oh no, he's escaping! Next over here, you can see this door opens. It also comes with this cool microphone. And over here is the repair and refueling station. Check this out. Pressing this button activates the sounds.
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
And up here is the control pad.
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go!
Buzz? Buzz? What is it, Woody? Buzz, Zurg has taken over the toys. We need your help, quick. Alright, Woody, get in.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
I have him in my sights, Woody. Where are your friends now? Oh no, this does not look good. Buzz, help us! Huh? What is that?
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go!
Hooray! We're saved! Let's go, Zurg. Alright, come on, Zurg. Just gotta punch in the code here. Doot, 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 doot. Huh? How did you get up? I'm Zurg. No one can defeat me. And now I'm going to have control of your spaceship. Not so fast, Zurg. Ah, you foiled my plans again, toys. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.